Hey guys, welcome to 4K Blu-ray. Today I'm going to show you the latest release from Disney, Tarzan. This title was released in UK and you can find it at Amazon UK right now. This is the number 37 from the Walt Disney collection. So let's take a look in the artwork inside. Comes with the movie rewards code, 1 disc only, region free, ABC. Now let's take a look in the audio and subtitles here. The menu is in English and there are no DTS HD Master Audio in this edition. Everything is in Dolby Digital 5.1. So we have English, French, Spanish, Italian, German, Netherlands and Portuguese from Portugal, all in Dolby Digital 5.1. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.